Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, hey, how you doing? I just got married, and I filmed me doing my makeup. It's probably not the best. I didn't talk through it, I just sat down and did my makeup, and I had to rush through it because I started late, go figure, but I'm married now. We just got back. He's gonna go pick us up from dinner because, you just got married, what are you gonna have? Pizza, of course. So we're gonna have pizza for dinner. We got our photos taken before and during the ceremony. We are so excited. The photos, we saw a couple of them, they look so good. Like he said, the photographer said like 3 to 4 weeks we should get them, but yeah, this is my makeup that I did. A little dramatic, but I like that. I like dramatic makeup. If I could have gotten away with bottom lashes, I probably would have done that. But yeah, so it's just a video of me doing my makeup, and Jeff makes an appearance because he was getting ready behind me. Hopefully, I didn't get video of him changing his clothes, but it is what it is. If you guys like what you see, don't forget to subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up if you want to. It's all up to you. And yeah, I will catch you guys all on Friday for a brand new video. But yeah, let's just get into the makeup. Hi guys. So this is just me doing my makeup. I literally set up my camera on one of my acrylic organizers and just started doing my makeup. I started with my brows. I went to Sephora literally the day before my wedding to get some more products for my day. And I picked up the Urban Decay Brow Blade and Ginger Snap because I'm back to ginger. And I always start by filling in my brows. I also brushed it up with a spoolie, but you don't really need to talk about that. I don't know how well this voiceover is going to go. I will probably pop up music and stop talking at some point, but just know that I winged it entirely. I prime my eyes with the Anastasia eye primer and just a little sponge. Nothing fancy. I really do enjoy this eye primer, and it held up the shadows pretty well. And that's all that matters, even though I only wore this makeup for maybe like 4 hours. I picked up the brand new Natasha Denona Soft Glam palette, whatever it's called. Glam palette, I don't think it's called Soft Glam. And I literally got that just for my wedding, just because I wanted a more cool tone look. But I also paired it with the Anastasia x Carli Bybel because I did a makeup look a couple weeks ago when I had blonde hair, and actually it's probably several weeks ago at this point, and I liked how that came out. But I am just going in with like the crease shades and the transition shades. The names on the names on the Natasha Denona palette aren't the greatest because it's just like crease, transition, whatever. I'm just going in with the colors that would match me better, and I'm just doing my thing. If you see me, like dancing around or whatever, that's okay. It's just, I was playing music. I started doing my makeup super late. I was supposed to start at like 2:30, and then I was looking at old photos of me and Jeff, and I just started crying because I was listening to our song, which is With Me by Sum 41, so it's a fun start to my day. So a little tidbit about our wedding. It was just me and Jeff, and we had the photographer. It was the main photographer, and he had his son with him because it's a family business. And we had the guy who was going to marry us, who was a sweet old man. And we didn't pay any extra for like music or whatever. So we didn't have like Here Comes the Bride or anything, but there was a wedding just before us, and he offered to play music as I walked to the gazebo for photos in their wedding, and he had to play that stupid Christina Perri song that was in Twilight, and I literally almost started crying. Like, I didn't want to cry. I didn't want to ruin my makeup. Anyway, I'm going in with the NYX Glitter Primer. I'm not putting actual glitter on my lids just yet, but I found this trick from Butte Bean on YouTube and Instagram, and she always uses glitter primer before she goes in with any shimmer. And I must say, top-notch hack, because that works so much better than cutting the crease with an eyeshadow base, even though I wasn't doing like a technically like cut crease, but yeah. Then I'm just popping on a couple of the different shimmer shades. I accidentally first went in with the more golden shade, and then I was like, wait, there's a silver shade, so I went over top of that with the silver, and then I just blended it in with my little brush. Oh, you can see Jeff in the background. He's gonna start getting ready now. Since I'm not going in like too much in depth, if you guys would like to see an actual sit down tutorial of me going over the look, how to do it and whatnot, I'd be happy to do that. You just gotta let me know, because this is a hot mess. Hey, guess I'm skipping over the rest of my eyes. I'm going to my face. I'm moisturizing with the Milk Makeup Moisturizer. Favorite stuff to use before putting on foundation. It's just great. I took a big risk using this foundation. It's the ColourPop Pretty Fresh Hyaluronic Hydrating Foundation, because this was literally my only second time wearing it. So, but it turned out it looked great. This foundation looks so good on my skin. I don't know if it was just, the universe wanted to work with me today or that day, but man, did I take a huge risk on that. I did have some breakouts going on, so that wasn't fun, but it is what it is. And I like this foundation because it wasn't super full coverage, so it showed some of my freckles through it. So I didn't want to look completely mask-like, I guess. I liked some of my freckles coming through, especially since we were having sunset photos. So I look tired when I'm doing this voiceover. I'm going in with the Rare Beauty concealers. I use 100W and 110N, and I'm just using the same sponge to blend it out. So far, I've been enjoying these concealers. A full Rare Beauty tutorial review thing will be up on Friday. Still gotta film that, but it's coming Friday. I know I'm late to the game, but I got married. I have excuses for not doing things. I am doing a cream contour with the Alma Beauty Contour Sculpt Stick. Everything that I'm using will be listed down below, because off the top of my head, I'm watching my video back as I'm doing this voiceover, and I don't know anything. I also pop on the Rare Beauty Honor Lip Balm just to give my lips some sort of hydration. Oh, and look at that, more Rare Beauty. I'm going in with one of the liquid blushes. It is in the matte shade, so I want to say it's Bliss is the one I got. I got one matte and one dewy. I'm pretty sure this one was Bliss. I totally missed the mark. I had a blush from Tarte called Blush and Bride, and I totally did not remember to use that. But I'm setting the concealer and foundation parts, whatever, mainly just the concealer parts and over my blemish spots with the Anastasia vanilla setting powder. Still one of my favorite setting powders. Now I'm dipping into the Carli Bybel palette, and I went in with the red shade, and it went way more red than I intended. Which, what did I expect? It's red, but I worked with it, I blended it out. I didn't want to be full-on emo for my wedding, but I think it worked out in the end. I toned it down quite a bit. I connected it to the top, and Jeff is having issues with his pants, because apparently the ones we bought were missing something, and we didn't have the receipt or tags or anything, and it was literally an hour before we had to leave. Not even an hour. Like I said, I started late. I'm tight lining with the Urban Decay Perversion 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil. And I was going to do 2 different colors in my waterline, but I decided to just do all black. And just, of course, blend that in, make it a little bit more seamless. My hair obviously is bothering me, but I'm moving back. No. And now I'm highlighting my inner corner and brow bone, and I'm using the Nikki Tutorials X Ofra Glazed Donut because that was my highlighter choice for the day. It's a beautiful highlighter. Very intense, but it looks great in photos. I'm setting my powder I'm setting with powder contour. What am I trying to say? I'm setting the cream contour with powder. This is the KVD Beauty Shade and Light Kitten Duo thing. I got in the lightest shade. Not that intense, but I wasn't going for super intense. I'm highlighting with Glazed Donut because, hello, beautiful, beautiful highlighter. I do put that a little bit everywhere because why not? I love a good highlight. I did put a little of the highlight on my shoulders and collarbone, but it kind of got rubbed away because I put on a jacket because it got chilly on the way there. And that was Chef asking if I caught him changing his clothes, but he was blocked by the mirror for the most part. I'm going over the cream liquid blush whatever with the It's Likely Makeup Fairy Blush palette, and I'm using the shade Sunstone because it's beautiful. Again, not another thing I thought I was going to use today on my wedding day. I had a plan, and then I only went halfway through the plan. I'm using the Anastasia Black Liquid Liner to do a quick wing. This is actually a brand new tube that I went out to Sephora to get. Go figure. I didn't want a super dramatic wing, but I knew I was going in with lashes, so I wanted to make sure that the lash band would be hidden in the wing. Plus, this look looks good with a wing. I must say that's probably the quickest wing I ever did without it being too messed up, so universe again on my side, except for the timing. And I was gonna go with my KVD Vegan Beauty Go Big or Go Home mascara because I've been using that, but it was so clumped at the beginning. When I pulled it out, I was like, F it. So I went in with the Fenty Beauty mascara, which full frontal, I think that's what it's called. And I did that on the top. I did do that on the bottom, but I ended up using a different mascara on the bottom just because I didn't like how it was working for me. So now you see me struggling with lashes. And I made the mistake, number 50 of the day, to use brand new lashes that I haven't worn before, so they weren't contoured to my eye correctly, which, again, don't do that if you plan on getting married. Wear your lashes a day or two before so they get, a shape to them. But I ended up using the Kiss Teddy lashes. Those are my favorite lashes at the moment. They are beautiful. They look beautiful with a wing, and I thought they paired well with the makeup look I did. So apparently before I actually put on my lashes, because I let the lash glue, set a bit, I went in with some Urban Decay glitter liners. I know I used, I think it was Starfire, and I want to say Volume, and I just put a little bit on the lids. I followed my crease line, and then I know I took Volume, which is the pinkier shade, and I put that all along my lower lash line, which I love doing that. I don't think that these shades are available anymore. They're from a holiday set, but you can find them. They are great. And I'm just cleaning up my brows because still waiting on that lash glue, and I'm flipping to the other side of the Urban Decay brow pencil to use the ink stain side just to give a little bit more definition to my brows. I do go in with a brow gel later on because excessive, but it is what it is. Oh yeah, there's a brow gel. This is the Urban Decay Brow Endowed, which I couldn't find at Sephora. I think they're getting rid of it, so I need to check their website to see if I can buy it, because that is the best stuff for a redhead, especially my shade of red. But yeah, now I'm putting on my lashes. So this is where I realized that I really need to hurry up. My lashes weren't sticking well. There's my husband. He got all dressed. We went really simple for our wedding, since he's not wearing a tux or a suit jacket. But my lashes wouldn't stick down. I was feeling the rush. I was just feeling it. I was feeling the rush. Cleaning up my bottom lashes. I ended up going in with the Anastasia Lash Brag mascara on the bottom lashes, just because I really love how that looks on my bottom lashes, but that was the last time I could use that because it's completely dried out. But that's done, so I decide I need to put on my extensions. I used some dry shampoo, and my extensions are from insert name here. I got them dyed at my local salon, which is, I just go to a hair cuttery because, honestly, I don't know, regular hair salons kind of scare me. But obviously what I'm doing is all rush, so it's not my final hairstyle for my wedding, but it is what it is. I set my face with the ColourPop Pretty Fresh, and I'm doing my lips. Again, brand new item, first day using it. This is the Melt Cosmetics Nudist Lip Liner. And then I went in with Melt Cosmetics Fawn, which was a little too browny nude for me, so I went in with Anastasia Stripped over top just to lighten it a bit. And that is my makeup. And now I have to, my camera actually cuts off, so I have to rush to get ready. I have to put on my dress and my shoes, and I have to grab my fake nails because I forgot to put on my nails, so I did that actually in the car ride. Which, oh look, shot of me in the car. I will throw up some pictures of just what me and him look like together. Obviously, they're not my wedding photos, but it is what it is. I hope you guys like this video. I'm sorry if it's not the greatest, but I kind of rushed my wedding day. So, thank you guys for watching. I hope you have an amazing day or night whenever you're watching this, and I will catch you guys all on Friday for a brand new video. Bye!
We were just kids when we fell in love, not knowing